guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be recreating this 4th of July look, so if you like it, just go ahead and keep watching. Start off, I am using the Merle Pro Eye Color palette. I am using the red shade as my transition. Then I am going in with a Dimension Brilliant Shadow in the color Phenom. This shadow is also by Merle. I am using my Glamouflage concealer in the color Tan to cut my crease. I did that funny little look where I looked up. That just helps me cut my crease a lot better. I'm now using my NYX glitter glue and I am just putting it all over the crease. For the glitter, I am using the NYX glitter stack and I'm using the silver color and I'm just putting it all over the half cut crease I created. I am now using that little light blue color on the palette and using another single shadow in the color Cobalt and putting it all over my lower lash line. I am now using my Lilly lashes in the style Miami. This is the finished look. I really hope y'all enjoyed this little mini tutorial. If y'all haven't already, then go ahead and subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I really hope y'all have a fun and safe 4th of July. Bye guys.